Hey everyone, it's Kim, Angel Dream Crafts, and I just wanted to do a little update video. I have a couple of announcements. First of all, my live class tomorrow is going to be canceled. I'm just going to take a little bit of a break. It's been a busy month, and I've had a lot going on in the Destash and everything that we did the other day. And by the way, thank you to everyone who came and who purchased. Thank you so much. Your packages will be going out tomorrow, which is Tuesday. So I just wanted to let everybody know that who purchased from me. I just wanted to take a little break from the live for tomorrow. You'll probably see me live later in the week, probably. But as for tomorrow, that is being canceled for right now. The other announcement, which is a very happy announcement, is that I have been selected to be a part of the Deco Art Blogger Outreach Program. And I'm so excited about this. And I was really just, you could have knocked me over with a feather when I got that email. I was just blown away. And what that means is that Deco Art, and I'm sure you've all heard of Deco Art, they do Deco Art Media, they Americana Paints, you know, all the things that we use in our crafting. So I'm pretty excited about it. And what that means is that Deco Art will be supporting my blog and helping me to grow my blog by sharing products with me. And I will be doing video tutorials and blog posts for Deco Art. So I'm so happy about it. It's just the best news ever. And of course, as you know, I also just got on the White Rose Crafts design team as well. So next month will be a very big month for me. I will probably be starting towards the end of October, sharing my first Deco Art project. So really excited about that, but you'll be seeing me probably the second to third week of October with my first project for White Rose Crafts. So as you can see, I have a lot going on, and I just want to get some things done in my craft room to help me be a bit more organized and get myself together here. And of course, I still design for Craft Supplies for You. That has not changed. And I also design for Scrap Perfect, who makes the best glue ever. So that hasn't changed either. So yes, a lot of exciting things happening, but I need a little bit of a break from the live for tomorrow. I'm feeling slightly under the weather, so I just want to take tomorrow and today and just kind of get myself back on my feet before all of these amazing and wonderful things happen. So that is my update video and my announcement. I'm very excited about Deco Art. I'm excited about everything and all the teams. But Deco Art, that really kind of blew my mind. So I'm super happy about everything that's going on right now. So that's about it for right now, guys. Sorry about the live tomorrow, but we will be back next week as usual, and with no problems there. I'll be back next Tuesday at 11. So thank you guys for everything. Thank you for coming to the Destash on Saturday. Thank you to those who purchased, and like I said, your packages will be going out tomorrow. And that's it for right now. I'll be back later, guys. Bye.